everyone. It's been a while since I put up a tutorial on the channel, but here we go again. I am currently in the UK. I'll be here for some time, so you may see me here once in a while. I hope I can make more of these tutorials as I'm learning a lot in here actually at the University of Reading. Anyways, today's tutorial will be actually made up of a few things. One of them is testing the microphone I got recently, yesterday actually. It is a Blue Yeti, and also testing out this iTop recording software. You could probably see the logo in the middle because I'm using the free version. However, it is unlimited, so for some of the purposes, not for uploading to YouTube or for sharing with others, but at least for documenting certain things, it's very useful and it's very light, and it has a lot of versatility. Like you could use a lot of the webcam, you could use many things with this software. So it is very helpful and it's very useful. I'm testing it now. So this tutorial in Excel will be made in iTop screen recorder. I'll put the link in the description below, and so you can download it and test it for yourself. It allows me to also use a webcam along with other things. So let's get started. Let's do the Excel tutorial, and then just a small tutorial on how to fill the blanks in Excel. And a lot of us need this, especially like when we collect the data, we don't need to fill all the rows in a column, but then when we get home we have tons of data, then we need to do that in a fast way. So I'm going to tell you this, and I'll use the iTop screen recorder for this. I'm testing also the microphone, so I hope my voice is clear. Okay, let's get started. Great. So here is an Excel sheet with data on it, and as you can see, these cells are blank. This is how we get some data in some cases, especially if a colleague sends it to us or we download it from some site. But if you want to analyze the data, you cannot actually have it this way, right? Because you want to filter it, you want to sort it, you want to analyze it, you need it to be filled. So what do you do to fill it so quickly? You can do it manually, of course. You can go here and just do this for every one of these, but this is going to be time consuming, right? You know this. So is there any faster way? Yes, there is. And here is a trick. You just highlight what you wanted to fill, or the blank cells, and then you basically go find and select. You go to special. Make sure you not to go to special, and then you get this dialog box. It has blanks. Click on blanks. Okay, this will highlight all the blanks in the two columns that you are interested in to fill, and that's it. As you can see here, the cell selected now in a blank cell. So what you wanted to do is you just go here, equal sign, you create a formula, very simple formula, and what you are telling Excel is take the information from the cell above. So you just go wherever it goes. It can be here also, it doesn't matter. Wherever it is, you go to the cell above it. So you select that. Now we selected the cell. We had our formula. You can type it too, but make sure it is the cell above. So now you will be able to see that Rashid, Al-Yahyai, YouTube, Al-Yahyai all be filled accordingly, right? But you need to do one thing. Don't click enter yet. What you wanted to do is hold Control Enter. So two things you want to be familiar with. First of all, when you select, make sure you select the cell above, wherever the Excel selected cell, whatever is above it, when you create the formula. The second thing you wanted to do is do Control Enter, not enter. If you do enter, it will do just one cell, but we do Control Enter. As you can see, it did the whole thing. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so I hope this was very helpful, and it looks very fast and very nice, and it is very useful for many of you who wanted to fill. Now it's filled. Now I can sort it by whatever way I wanted to do. This is the quick tutorial I wanted to do to test all these. The snap camera, which is filming now through my Logitech. The mic, I hope the voice is really good. Hello mic. And also this new screen recorder. I hope to see you soon. Take care and goodbye.